In this video, I'll be showing you a quick overview of the simple tools included in Enliten that will help you make your lesson plans. To get started, we have the cursor tool. This will allow you to edit images and objects that you have placed in your slides, as well as interact with any engagement features that you have included in your slides. The pencil icon is your writing tool. You have a variety of built-in colors, but you can add any colors you want by clicking one of the bottom three colors and pressing the Edit button. The colors in the grids are highlighter colors. With the highlighter tool, the more you draw over your highlighter, the darker it gets. Finally, you can change the size of your brush stroke using the black circles on the side. The eraser tool is simple and easy to use. Simply tap on it and you can select the size of your eraser. You can erase notes that you've made on your slide, or you can erase all the content that you've created on the slide. The text tool allows you to add lines of text to your slide. You can change the text size and color. You can also choose one of the included fonts. And there are also a bunch of other text tools that you might find in an editing software. Lastly, to create a new slide, press the plus button. You can create up to 200 slides in one presentation. You can use the arrow buttons to navigate between slides. Be sure to watch more videos in this series to help you get started making lesson plans in Enliten.